Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to make word type for you without touching the keyboard. Imagine typing without touching the keyboard, just speak and the word will everything for you. So let's get started.
Open Word on your PC. After it has been opened, click Windows plus H on your keyboard. Then you say anything you want to type with no stress, no fast typing skills, and everything will be done for you.
So guys, if you find this helpful, don't forget to leave your comments, subscribe, and share for more tips. Thank you.